Good evening everyone, and thank you for clicking on this video. If you are new to my channel, my name is MacBlogs, aka Ian my real name. Tonight I am doing a room tour, another room tour. I am staying at the Mondo Hotel and it's Thursday night. Mondo Hotel is located a few miles outside of Glasgow in a village or town called Coatbridge, and it's on, well, just off the main street. I think it's actually classed as on the main street of Coatbridge. Anyway, I am staying for one night. Tomorrow I am checking out, and early, to be fair, really early, and going to Birmingham. So I've got a bit of a drive. I'm driving down to Birmingham tomorrow morning. The main reason for that is because I'm going to TokFEST, which is a creators event. So I am new to creating, so like the YouTube you're watching me on just now, and I want to get better at it. So I enjoy it, I want to get better at it, I want to improve it. As it stands just now, even though I don't focus on subscribers, but as it stands just now, just as a record, because I will probably look back at this whenever, I think all you lovely guys have subscribed to me. There is 204 of you so far, just now. So I'm very grateful for every single one of you for subscribing, because it takes a lot to subscribe to a channel. I'm like that as well, so I appreciate it that you've subscribed. I do have various content just now, so because of COVID there's only so much I can do, so I am currently enjoying doing room tours like this one, recording them, edit them, put them up, and hopefully it brings some useful information for anyone who's picking that hotel and that room before they plan their stay. So anyway, more on that TokFEST. If you want to follow my journey, so I will be vlogging. I'll be doing 3 days, so I'll be travelling down tomorrow, full weekend down in Birmingham NEC Exhibition Centre. That's a Saturday and the Sunday full day. I'll be vlogging those experiences as well, so subscribe to me if you want to watch me or watch the videos that will be coming from that event. So anyway, let's crack on and do a room tour of the Mondo Hotel here in Coatbridge. I paid £69 for a king's room with breakfast. I have just checked in there and the restaurant's closed, so I'm not sure how it's going to play out, so I can't eat any food here tonight. I will be checking out very early, like I said, so breakfast probably won't be ready, so I won't be able to have a benefit from that at all. So I'm going to go out after this video and find somewhere just to have something to eat, either there or bring it back. But hey ho, I better stop talking because you want to see this room tour, I'm sure. As always, there's no people, no viewfinder thing. If that makes sense if you watch my previous videos, but anyway, as usual, start the front door. I am in room 307. Just make sure you know where the emergency exits are, evacuation plans. There's a little bit of information on the hotel room. So check out is 12, breakfast served at the restaurant, and the parking, I will cover that as well in this video. So come into the room. I don't know how you lock that. You must press that button. Press the button to lock. Put the key card in to get your power on. You walk in here, it's just a panel detail, a little panel detail with some, got 3 coat hooks. As you walk in, it's the room, quick overview of the room. First impression, it's nice, it's clean, it's modern to a degree. The panelling, yeah, it's modern, let's go with that. Mirror, yeah, perfect height, size, the whole lot. Radiator here, You just press the radiator on and you press what, press your options there. Turn that off just now because believe it or not it is very warm in Scotland just now for some strange reason, very humid. So nice big double bed, bedside units each side, both the same, no drawers on any of them, just a table. Got normal plug socket there. These lights, this one here controls spotlights, this middle one controls both bedside lights, and this one here controls the little light behind there, see it? Yeah, that's pretty cool, it's pretty nice. Pillows, it's a cool touch. Don't know why I done that, just felt like doing that. Other side of the bed, another socket here, single socket. Remote for the TV, a Panasonic TV, small TV but does the job. It's hotel, I'm only staying just one night. We have double socket here, they've got a Febreze thing plugged in, that's not mine. Double socket there, move my mask out the way. Double socket here on this desk area with USB points, which is good, we all like USB points. Got the hairdryer here, which obviously I will never use because I have no hair. This switch there, I wonder what that done there. So that switch controls that light there. Chair, looks comfy. Bin, the view, that's all you're going to see. I'll come back to that in a minute. You've got this kind of freestanding wardrobe. So obviously hang your clothes, coat hooks, etc. Pillows, towels. Towels feel good, all good, all good. So kettle, I had a look in here before. I don't think I would use the kettle because of all this going on. Nice touch though with the biscuits, so I'll be having them. And then all your usual here, so you've got all your teas, green teas, normal tea, sugars, coffees, milks, and this little tray. So that's good. Nothing under there, is it? I don't think there's any ironing facilities, so I haven't seen any iron or ironing board. Bathroom. So there is quite a noisy fan, so yeah, that one. Quite a noisy fan, so apologies if that's picking that up on that. But, sorry, apologies if the camera is picking that up, which I'm sure it will. So I'll keep this quick. So, nice, clean so far from what I've seen. Toilet, I've stuck my jumper in here just now out of the way. Don't know why, but stuck it in here. Towels, cups, mugs. Sink, mixer tap. We have a hand and body wash. We've got a mirror there, and a mirror there, mirror there. Got a shower screen for shower. Plugs fell off. No! What's that there? I can't reach. I've got long arms around, I can't reach. Hair and body wash. Again, so there's a shower. Towels. Towels? Tails? What's wrong with me? Tails. Tails. Towel to put on the floor. Bin. We've got a handle, I think the handle's snapped off there. And then spare toilet roll, spare toilet roll, little bin there. That's really it. So that's a fully tiled wall there, and some spotlights. Yeah, it's a bathroom. But is there a shaver point there? Is there a shaver point? No. Don't think I've seen a shaver point. Nope. Right, okay. Turn this light off. I think it's got an overrun on it for the fan linked with the light. I think I need to turn the lights off just to give you a bit of the view. So let's go. I just turned the tour, so I should know how to turn lights off. Ooh, that's a nice ambience. So this is the top car park. So this top car park is for the restaurant, I believe. So you go down those stairs, whoops, there, back up the stairs and then in the restaurant. You obviously can come down here, but see this bit here underneath? Obviously you can't drive in there. You walk out there, where you park the car. What I done was, try and give you some bearings here. There's Coatbridge Main Street. Now, before you get to this main street here, back that way, there's a roundabout. So at that roundabout, back there, don't go straight on, take a left. The left will take you down a road behind this building here. Take it all the way down. You come to your first roundabout. Don't think I'm pronouncing my T's correctly so all of a sudden. You come to that roundabout, you'll see this kind of ASDA point here where everyone, or the big lorries are loading up for ASDA. First roundabout, just take a right, you come all the way around and you come to here and you come into the car park. That's what I done. I will put a clip in now. So I came in from that road there, just head towards the ASDA basically. We take the first roundabout on the right at the ASDA, come along this road here, and that will take you to the car park for the hotel. And welcome back. So that gives you an idea of the car park area. I am not far, I mean, from the main street. I mean, there's, I don't really know what there is to do in Coatbridge, I'll be honest, but Google it, see what you can find. Is that a chippy? You know, it's a chip shop. Yeah, so let's go put the lights back on again. Let me put that one back off. So, me again. That's it. I don't really know what else to give you. It doesn't have the INF facilities. I think it said that on when I booked it through booking.com. Not sponsored. They haven't sponsored me. I've paid everything myself just to be upfront. But yeah, there's a wee seat. A wee seat. Take a wee seat. Ugh. So yeah, it's got everything you need. I'm only staying one night. It's got everything you need really, if you're staying more than one night. But it's got the space. There's no space under the bed, so you can't put any bags in there. Maybe that's, yeah, it is, I think it's designed for short stays, but there's nothing stopping you staying here longer if you need to be staying here longer. But yeah, so far clean, tidy, looks great. I'm sure I'll have a nice relaxing night. I am going to try and get an early night. I'm more of a night owl, to be honest. I'm not someone, I don't know what it is, I don't really like to sleep a lot. I don't take naps. I'm one for just sleeping when I'm supposed to sleep, but sometimes that doesn't even happen. It just, I'm more awake at night, so I don't know if any of you guys are the same, but I need to try and get an early night, so I'm up early, heading down to England, to Birmingham. Sorry, the accent is not great. But anyway, if you like this video, thank you very much. So give it a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe to see more of my content, future content, then hit subscribe. This it'll keep me motivated to keep bringing you content. It's not just hotel room tours. I'm just doing these as and when I can. The future videos will be all a mix of different things. So it will be hotel room tours once I can travel again. It will be Orlando, Walt Disney World, Universal Studios. If you watch my previous videos, you'll know the score with that, so I won't say it anymore. If you want to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that stuff, then down below in the description you'll see all the links there. If you want to support the channel, I also have a sock brand, so it's called Hello Sock, so the link below in the description as well for that. If you want to purchase a pair of socks, then have a look at hellosock.co.uk. Again, that's supporting the channel, that's finance, helps finance the content. So yeah, I appreciate all the support that you guys give me. Thank you for watching. I am Mike Blogs, aka Ian, and until next time, which could be my content over the weekend or in the future. So I think the light is kind of playing up, so apologies for that. But until then guys, until the future, till the next vlog, video, hotel tour, whatever I bring you, thank you for watching, and I'll see you then. Bye bye.